have our guest Ava here again with us. And Felicity is behind the camera filming. Our dad is working over in the corner, so it's gonna be loud, but we'll try to shout. So we're gonna be catching chickens. And
somewhere over there, Dad is.
Yeah, over here are the chickens. And this is Golden Fox.
Ava already caught one, and it's a Golden Fox.
She's fast. And so yeah. Let's see what else she can catch.
We're gonna try to catch as many as they can. I don't know, but and we got a cat over here. That's what's going on. And then we caught another one. Reese, who is this one?
This looks like
that's chocolate.
No. This one yours.
No.
Then
Violet is that orangey one. Right there.
This one's chocolate.
Oh. So this is Violet. Right here.
Yeah, this is Violet. I will try catching the duck for you guys.
Yeah, they're gonna try catching the duck, which the duck is really fast. But I might be able to. Yeah, there's the duck. If you guys could have saw it. Keep trying to catch a duck.
I caught the duck.
Oh, they caught the duck.
Look at that.
Oh,
Fox is adorable.
Look at how cute
Love
he
him.
is.
Ava's trying to catch a chicken right now.
Yeah, so
I love him.
it's Fox.
Look at Fox.
Good, there's Fox.
Ava caught one.
Ooh.
This is Lollipop.
Lollipop is right there.
She's one of my lovely chickens. So say goodbye.
There's
Lollipop. And then
they're trying to catch more chickens.
yeah,
look at all them, guys.
A lot so far. We love all our pets, and just so you know, guys, we have 20 pets. 20.
So many.
Yeah. Ava caught Felicia right here.
And Mom had to rename her to Ozma.
And now her new name's Ozma. Yep.
Ozma.
Say bye-bye to Felicia.
Bye, Ozma. And she ran away. But look at Ava
caught Golden Fox again. The first chicken and the last chicken we're going to be catching for today. So thanks for watching. It's so fun to catch chickens. Make sure to get them. We have 11 in here and 1 duck. Yeah, it's amazing. This was our first chicken Golden Fox that we caught and our last. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a like. Give us a very nice comment if you have chickens or not. And share this video. Bye-bye.